Hey guys, welcome back to E-Rebuilds. As you can see behind me guys is the Nissan 370Z guys. And as I said in the previous video guys, as soon as we finish the Charger, as you can see to the left of me, this is the Dodge Charger. We're pretty much finished with the Dodge Charger. There's nothing left that we can put on there. So now what we're gonna do, we'll get down to the mechanical side of it. So we want to try to get a little more horsepower out of it, you know what I mean, and stuff like that, guys. But before we do that, we want to get the 370 built out, guys. So you can see we have the rear bumper right here for the Nissan 370. So we was waiting on the fenders for the Nissan 370. So we have the fenders here now. We got those in the mail. So, guys, as you know, it's fiberglass, so, you know, it's not what I expected, you know, for the money that I pay, you know, very expensive, you know, these two fenders, but, you know, I got to do some body work on here. You know, when you see it online, it look pretty decent, but when you get it, I'm hoping that, especially these corners right here, fit right into the light, because, you know, neat. So I would have to probably make it fit. Like all this stuff right here. And funny enough, guys, one of these fenders is like $500. Everything, you know, it's crazy. So this is it right here. I gotta do some work to it. They did tell you that, you know, it's fiberglass and you might gotta do a little bit of touching up to it, but when I got it, I realized that you gotta do a lot of touching up to it. So it is what it is, you know, I'll work on that, get it up. So we got both fenders here, guys. So we will start the building out process on the Nissan. I was actually looking online to see if I could get a body kit for this car. It's so easy to get a body kit for the Nissan 350Z, but for the 370, I'm not seeing any that I really like. So as you can see, you know, with the Dodge Charger, that's a RT that we put a wide body on there. So what I wanted to do is to try to get this 370 looking as aggressive as the Dodge Charger. So we have the American muscle over here, and we have the Japanese version on this side. So we want to try to make this 370 look aggressive, as aggressive, sound, and have some power. Increase the horsepower of this motor. You know, it might not be able to get up to the Dodge, but you know, we do push it as far as we can go with this, you know, and we're pushing to try to see if we get it ready for Z Nationals. So we're gonna start the process. So, you know, the fenders, as you can see, guys, you know, we gotta do a lot of work with those fenders and stuff like that. So stay tuned for the process, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E-Rebuilds, guys. So as you can see, American muscles versus the Japanese version, guys. So we're going for the real aggressive look. So we can try to take this 370 and try to outdo that Dodge Charger. Stay tuned for the process, guys.